Hello, Kashish, audible?
जी सर are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. So, how are you doing, Kashish?
I'm good, sir. I'm
All right.
doing good.
So, first of all, congratulations for your 7 series score finally.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the help throughout the journey.
All right.
Like
So,
I feel really relaxed right now.
yeah, the first thing once you're done with the paper is that you feel relaxed. कि चलो खत्म हो गया. Finally, it's done. All right.
Exactly, sir.
And the anxiety,
Like
the nervousness from home
this
to
is
the
the
exam
first
center.
weekend.
Hmm.
This is the first weekend I'm actually, feeling pretty relaxed. I'm enjoying. This
Hmm.
is my study room. Actually, this is the store room.
Acha,
So
acha.
this weekend I didn't come to it. I just came. I just came here right now. I was
Okay.
very relaxed, but no tension at the back of the mind.
Otherwise, this time I think so. It was used to be our classes timings, right? Otherwise, a test
Right.
timing. Uh,
Right. We used to connect at 8:30, 8:15 like that.
8:30, 8:15 we used to start, and then it ends by
Right.
10, and then you have the office, so you generally sleep after that.
And
All
now
right.
it's all done. Like all the
Yeah.
hard work paid off.
Can be seen from your face. Finally, you are smiling and you are happy that it's done. It's clearly visible that okay, something was there, and now it's over.
Yeah, because see, along cracking a GMAT ideally if you're only studying, it's fine. Okay, I wouldn't say it's very tough, but along
Hmm.
when you're working,
Yes.
you're working as a full time and then studying and then classes and all
Hmm.
everything when it compiles right. It's a tough thing
I guess it is all
altogether.
about regularity. Being consistent is quite difficult because it is not just
Right.
one day or one weekend thing. It's gonna take around, we see that GMAT in 30 days, 40 days, but you yourself have seen that it's gonna take 2 to 3 months is for sure. Right?
So practice is required. Practice is
Practice
required.
is unless
After we were done with classes, I
Hmm.
went through all the DPPs which you had given,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
and those DPPs had very questions which included very critical topics like all the traps and all. So
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
I went through all of that. Even my 1 month was consumed in that.
You also saw
So
those videos, I guess, YouTube videos of traps when you
right,
messaged
right,
me,
right.
right? So
So
all these there are
those
little
one
areas.
minute, yes.
Hmm.
So you have to go according to me. You have revision is very important. So the revision is very important. You
Yes,
have to
yes. I
go
guess
through all of the contents
because it is about
again.
everything. If one area lacks, you will lack the score, right? Getting a 700 or more, it is like you have to be, you have to cover every corner. Otherwise, it's gonna not pay you, right?
And
So,
in mocks, I was getting around 7:30, 7:20 like this. But
uh,
on the exam day, eventually I come to the pressure but I am
hmm.
happy that at the 100th visit I have a 7.
Yeah, basically it is all about day sometimes, right? And of course, a day plays a lot of major factor. Like the first time you gave the
Absolutely.
exam, you told you were late, and once you are late, it is screwed up, right? So it is
Screwed
it
up,
is
sir,
very important to
completely.
be in the space of mind, I guess.
Right, right.
So anything specific like people fear from online sessions a lot. People feel that online is very different and offline is very different.
I
So,
would say for JEE, I took offline classes. Okay.
hmm,
Uh, Unfortunately, I was not able to crack it.
hmm,
This is the first time I have taken online classes, and what I feel is it's pretty convenient. I would say online is even better than offline classes when it comes to teaching. Why? First of
hmm,
all, commute. There is no time wasted in commuting.
yeah.
Second thing, people like even I had a fear when I first talked to you whether my all doubts will be cleared and all, whether everything will be
Hmm,
clear. But see, I have attended your classes, so that question was itself gone after 1 or 2 sessions.
hmm,
So I don't think there is anything to fear in the online sessions. They're pretty much clear. You are given the required attention and everything,
hmm.
and I don't think there is any problem in online sessions.
You remember Manmeet? I think so. He was also studying with you. He took some classes with you, Manmeet.
Yes, I remember. I remember.
Yeah, he also just gave me a call. He has also got the score now, and he has also done. So your batch already two have gone through now. He is also going
Oh,
to Canada. So might be you meet
okay.
him again. So he has also just recently. He was also like 10 years experienced guy. He was a father to a kid, and like you have challenges like you're coming from back from the work, right? He had an entire family, a wife and a kid, and then he was studying. So it was
Okay.
great to have both of you. I had regular calls with you. It was not just about 1 hour class. You used to call or WhatsApp
Right, right.
oftenly, and right. So did you use the portal also for CR and SC? What about the?
I specifically, yeah.
So
You're
my
saying?
question is basically like you did various questions from portal and DBPs, and while you were giving the actual exam, what was there, if you want to just suggest some changes, that is if we are lacking somewhere some particular questions, or you find that everything was very much from the course, or very much was very similar?
So there are two things. First thing is about the course. You covered each and everything. Like the
Yeah.
material you gave, I would say 99% things were covered. 1%, I would just leave it out
Mhm.
because English is very vast. No one can cover
Yeah.
anything.
Yes, yes, of
Maths,
course.
maths, everything was covered. Other than that, everything was covered. The way you planned the entire course and curriculum, it was all perfect. Like sir, we are English, IT, we are Indians, right?
Hmm.
So English, obviously, we have a bit, I would not say disadvantage, but we're not. But I'm considering myself. I'm
Hmm.
not as good as I'm not as good in English as maths.
Yes, correct. Of course,
But the
everyone
way
from
you,
technical background.
yeah. But so what happens if you would have taken all the English together? I might would have lost the flow till the end. But
Hmm.
the one thing which I like the most about the course is you took everything parallelly.
Parallelly, yeah.
Maths, English, maths, English. So we were able to do combined tests, combine everything. To at the end, everything was done and no track was lost.
So actually, there is a purpose behind it. Many people are there. One are those who are good in quant. One are those who are
Okay.
good in verbal. Right. So what happens
Okay.
is, if let us say you are good in quant or you feel comfortable in quant, and we are going with the verbal, we have
Hmm.
tests regularly every Sunday or alternate Sundays. So you will consecutively score low, and then you will be disheartened. It might happen that you leave the track, that you leave the
I
game. You think that it's not your cup of tea. Similarly, happen with the guys who are regular with the verbal. Now, if we are taking
hmm.
quant regularly, now they are scoring low. So it used to happen. This is a long journey, not just 5-10 days, as I've already mentioned, 2.5 months to 3 months. Now, in this two
Right.
to three months, you should be motivated. Your mind should be cleared that okay, I have to do it anyhow. So there are days you will feel great. With one test you will do, you will get a good score. You will feel that लगता है हो सकता है. There will be one test you will feel low, yaar, ye lagta hai, this is not my cup of tea. I'm not able to get the scores. So it is,
Absolutely.
these are hidden things which we plan so that people are, they are balanced. They do not feel at
Yeah.
any point of time कि हम तो कर ही देंगे, and they do not feel that we cannot do it. So we have to make
Right.
that balance. Sometimes deliberately some papers were made easy when you guys are losing confidence that okay, let's boost their confidence.
I
Sometimes the
get it.
papers are made difficult once you think that okay, things are happening, or you guys are not studying sometimes, right? Because see, right now you guys are working, everybody is working majorly in a batch. 90% of the people are working. So sometimes what happens is they feel like yaar questions ho rahe hain. So what do? Is they leave practicing कि चल हो जाएगा, 1 week is heavy in the office, let's just focus on the office first. Then we just make a good heavy test, although I'm just leaking out the skills. So we make a good heavy test, people get to know that yaar ye kharab ho raha hai, we have to work again.
I get that. I
That
get
we
that.
have to do it sometimes. Anyways, so you just made it finally, right? Good, two
Yeah.
to 3 years
And
long.
sir, I also followed one more advice. You told me that if you are getting 700 or more than that in 2 or 3 mocks, you should just give exam
Just after
within
that.
3 or 4 days. I
Yes,
did
yes.
that on Saturday when I was going for my second attempt. First attempt,
Mhm.
right, I messed up.
Yeah.
Second attempt when I was trying, I got 730, 740, 700, 720 in my four
Mhm.
exams. I
Mhm.
booked after three. I took a slot after 3 days and I just gave it
Yeah,
without
yeah, you
thinking of
have to.
anything.
Yes,
And
you
it,
have
it
to
was
give it.
perfect.
You have to give it. Once you are in that zone, right? It might go in next 5-10 days again, and you have to pick up the things again. So it's better just
Absolutely.
book it up and go ahead, because that momentum, plays the role. Momentum is the key thing over here.
Absolutely, sir, absolutely.
So
Yeah, you should be able to identify when you are at your peak.
yes, yes, absolutely right. You should be able to identify your peak. You should be able to identify your saturation level.
Absolutely.
Self analysis is very important with the course
Right.
and all everything, right? So anyways, congratulations, and I'll end up
Thank
this
you so
session
much.
now, and share those essays, right? We'll keep discussing about the
Sure,
essays as well and finish up the
sure, sir.
profile.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for
Chalo.
everything. Thank you for all the tips and everything, sir.
Okay, chalo, bye bye, you're welcome, and then
Bye, sir.
see you then again. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.